We're in spiritual war. This spiritual war rages on between two kingdoms. The kingdom of darkness and the kingdom of light. It's one, my friend, or the other. There's no neutrality. There's no spiritual Switzerland. There's no DMZ. In other words, there's not a demilitarized zone. You're in a battle. But Jesus said it this way. Listen, you're either with me or you're against me. Joshua said, choose ye this day who you will serve. Ha. But as for me, and my house, but as for me and a house of Judah, we will serve the Lord God Almighty, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.